Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Kindergarten Video Lectures. Let's explore, learn, and have fun together on this exciting educational journey.
Dear students, welcome to the first lesson of your new class. The first lesson is about concept of big and small. Big and small are opposite. Big is bigger than small. Small is smaller than big. As you can see in the picture of the zoo, that the elephant is big and rabbit is small. So, elephant is bigger than the rabbit and rabbit is smaller than the elephant. Thank you. See you in the next lesson.